Bridgeport with a 36-inch table. This unit is currently wired 220 and can only be wired 220. If you come over here and you look, it goes from end to end with ease. But this unit does have some wear in the bedways, as you can see. You can see the flaking up here, and you can see over here it gets non-existent. It does go end to end. Everything functions as it should. There is just some wear on the bedways, that's all. As you can see, it's coming up. Same thing in the back. There's definitely less wear in the back of the machine, so whatever they were doing smaller parts where they needed the table up more forward. Backlash in your Y-axis is 30 thousandths, and your X-axis is about 16 thousandths. Your X-axis does go from end to end with ease. It doesn't bind. This is your drawbar that comes with it. If you come over here and look, this comes with a collet holder and assorted various collet sizes. This is your service man box down here. This kills the power to the whole machine. Pull it back up, put your power back on. Real quick, when you come over here, this is your Z-axis. Goes up and down with ease. The handle does have a crack in it. It has been welded back together, just so you know. This is your off, forward, and reverse switch. Right now this unit is in high. With the feeds, three different rates of feed. Right now this is your slowest rate. This is your highest rate. At the slow, this is your medium rate, mid-range feed rate. Let's turn this up. Bring it closer to the stop, or to the knockoff, I should say. You can see it knocks off with these. This unit also knocks off on the upstroke too. Clutch is in good shape on this unit. You can hold it, doesn't click or knock off. This right here, this is what disengages your feed. You can see now it's not spinning. Now it's engaged, now it's disengaged. So off position, this is your brake. To switch into low, you want to go from out to in. So you want to bring this forward. Then you want to bring your shifter, pushing it away from you. It raises up the gear. Now you're in low. Same thing when you want to go back to high, you go from in to out. Raise the shifter up. Now you always want to grab the spindle, always make sure that it locks in, otherwise it's going to make a horrible noise when you turn it on. Bring it back in high. Now this is a step pulley Bridgeport, so to change your speeds you would come over here, you would loosen the binder for the motor. Slide the motor forward, then drop your belt down, then put your motor back, tighten it up, and you change your different speed ranges. This is our 1 horsepower Bridgeport.